In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up for Beehiiv step by step, so you can get your newsletter up and running as quickly as possible. If you've been wanting to start a newsletter, build an audience, or simply explore Beehiiv for the first time, this guide will walk you through the full process from account creation all the way to your dashboard. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Beehiiv. Once the homepage loads, look for the button that says Start Trial or Create Account. Click that to begin the sign-up process. This will take you to the account creation page where Beehiiv asks for your basic information. Now enter your first name and last name in the fields provided. After that, type in your email address. Make sure you use an email address that you can access right away, because Beehiiv will send you a verification message before you can finish setting everything up. Next, create a secure password for your new account. Try to use a password that's strong and easy for you to remember. Then click Get Started to continue. At this point, Beehiiv will send a verification email to the inbox you just entered. Open your email inbox in a new tab or window and look for the message from Beehiiv. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case. Once you find the email, open it and click Verify Email. This confirms that your email address is valid and links it to your Beehiiv account. After verifying, you'll be brought back to Beehiiv where you can click Continue. Now, Beehiiv will ask about your experience level. You'll usually see options like Beginner, Experienced, or Curious. Choose the one that best describes you. If you're brand new to newsletter platforms, Beginner is probably the best option. Then, click Continue again. Next, Beehiiv will ask you to set up your newsletter details. Enter your newsletter name carefully, because this is the name your readers will see. Think of something clear, memorable, and relevant to the content you plan to publish. After that, choose a subdomain for your publication. This is the web address that helps people find your newsletter. So, pick something that matches your brand or topic as closely as possible. Then Beehiiv will ask you to select up to 3 content categories for your newsletter. This helps the platform understand what kind of content you plan to create, which can improve the setup experience and recommendations you receive later. Choose the categories that fit your niche best, whether that's business, technology, education, lifestyle, or something else. After that, you'll have the option to upload a logo. If you already have one, this is a great time to add it, so your newsletter looks more professional right from the start. Once those details are filled out, click Continue. Beehiiv will then guide you through a few onboarding questions. These questions help personalize your account and make sure the platform is tailored to your goals. Take your time with these and answer them based on how you plan to use Beehiiv. After completing the onboarding questions, finish the setup process and wait for the dashboard to load. And that's it. Once setup is complete, you'll be taken to your Beehiiv dashboard. From here, you're officially ready to start building your newsletter. To create your first issue, click Start Writing. That opens the editor where you can begin drafting your first newsletter and setting up your content workflow. So now you know exactly how to sign up for Beehiiv, verify your account, complete the onboarding steps, and get to your dashboard in just a few minutes. If this walkthrough helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.